What are your salespeople? Are your salespeople growth mindset people or fixed mindset people? You need to listen. When you're interviewing, do you have a growth mindset person or a fixed mindset person in front of you? Because, man, running and building a company, what you guys do, I don't want to do that. It's hard. It's big. But it's way harder when you don't have the right type of person. The right type of person, growth mindset person, right? All right. Now let's go on to page 3. I call this 2 basic foundations. If you understand these 2 things, the rest of the pages in the workbook get easy or easier. Systems and processes, systems and processes, systems and processes. By the way, two words that you rarely hear in the sales world. My background, I also have a bachelor's degree in accounting, CPA, Arthur Anderson, MBA, that kind of stuff. And by the way, the advice I got when I was a young kid was, if you really want to be successful in your business, go understand how the numbers work, because you clearly have an idea of how to generate business. But too many companies are led by people that know how to get the phone to ring, and then they don't know how to make it pencil and flow to the bottom line. So that was part of my background, and the military was part of my background. And both of those institutions, it's about systems and processes. So I want to paint a picture for you of 100 locations in the U.S. with 2,600 salespeople in them, and me spending 3 out of every 4 weeks a month in the field with those people. That was my style. 3 out of every 4 weeks in the field. And every time I visited a location, I had a similar message. Here it is. There aren't 2,600 best ways to sell this stuff. What do you say we figure out the best way? Build the systems and processes. Practice the systems and processes. And I bet you we beat the pants off of anybody we compete with. If you're taking notes under systems and processes, at least humor me by writing this one sentence down. It pains me to say it. Sports teams are run better than most businesses. That should piss you off if you're a business owner. Sports teams are run better than most businesses. I don't care what sport it is. Play it on the field, play it on the court, play it on the ice. I don't care what level. High school, college, professional. It doesn't matter. All I know is that there isn't a coach in any sport at any level that would consider putting their players on the field without a playbook, without the systems and processes that will enable that team to win more than they lose.